The digital divide refers to the unequal distribution of technology and access to technology, which can impact access to health services and information. Women, particularly those from lower income and marginalized communities, are often at a disadvantage when it comes to accessing health services and information through digital means. This can include lack of access to technology and the internet, limited understanding of how to use technology for health purposes, and inadequate infrastructure and support systems to ensure that technology is used effectively for health. This digital divide can exacerbate existing health disparities and barriers to accessing care, particularly for women from marginalized communities who face multiple social and economic barriers to accessing health services. Addressing the digital divide and improving access to technology and digital health services is crucial in promoting health equity and ensuring that all women have access to the resources they need to maintain their health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe our channel for more digital health content.